This man picked up this egg from the jungle without any reason, which is not right to do. This man does not even know which bird's egg it is. And to see this man kept this egg in a warm environment so that the bird comes out of the egg soon. Let me tell you that the name of this bird is emo, which is the largest bird of Australia. This baby was now mingling with this man because this bird's baby had seen this man at the time of its birth. So this bird started considering this man as its everything and started playing with him well. Now this bird looks even more beautiful after growing up. If you like this bird, do not leave without subscribing, and everyone should tell your name in the comment.